And Quentin, I'm going to try to answer your questions here on how to add different sections and things to a layout through Box. So to start, I'm going to create a site. So a brand new site on our CMS platform, and I'm just going to extend a theme here that we use called Blueprint CSS24. So it's got all the basic Blueprint stuff in it. Put in a new palette, and we could use an existing one, and I'll call it Box. Okay, so here's how we work. So we go out and create a site, and the site that's created has standard structure, Itrium CMS structure in it. So I assume this would work for any CMS that's out there, because they're all going to have parts and pieces and stuff in it that you would need. Okay, so we've got a site created now, and if I look over here, I've got a new site here at the bottom called Box, and it's got a home page, and it's got stuff in it. By default in this test system, I'm generating a couple of sample pages. All right, so now I need to go to Box and create a layout for this site. So for starters, I'm going to just go in and set up my grid. I'll use a standard 950 export name. I'm going to call it Box Home, because we typically have a home page and some kind of standard page layout. You can have as many as you want. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to add something here saying I just want the detail from the page. So the detail is a view that we have in our system. Okay? And again, I think other CMS products have tags and things that allow you to tap into the CMS product and build your page. So I've got this. I'm going to save it, and I'll put it out in my work area. So I've got my original source, and I know it's going to be ID 243 Box. Okay, so I've saved the source for my box. Now I'm just going to export it, throw it in my work area. This is the regular old output.html. And then I'm going to fire up the LiveWire tool that I showed yesterday. And I'm going to go and set my output directory to point to my new box layout directory. Alright? And then I can just go and build my JSP. So right now I've built a JSP with a single row. Alright? And if I return to my site, I can actually run that JSP now and go to Box 8080, run on my local system, and I'll see not a whole lot, but I'll see the detailed content for the home page, which is here. Okay, so now I can go back to Box and I can add footer, header, anything else. So anything we have a view for, and we can create our own views, create as many custom views as we need. Say I want to put in the footer, CMS footer, and that typically lays out horizontally. Doesn't have to. And then maybe I'm going to put some navigation at the top. And that's going to be horizontal as well. Okay? And then you could do a header as well if you want it on top of that. So I could say CMS, and we have different headers. I'm going to call this one header logo. We just want the logo. Comes out of a banner feature in our product. So again, I'll export this to my work area, return to LiveWire, generate the new code, then I can return to my page and refresh it. And now I'll see I've got navigation in place, detail, here's my footer, and here's where the header is. And then it's just a matter of using the tools to edit the site. So we've got tools where people can log into the site directly and make changes. I can navigate to these pages. Now the standard page has not been built, that's why I've got a missing page here, but I would just go back and create that through Box, create a layout for that, and we would be finished. Alright, hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions and what you think. Thanks.